A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Boy, me so glad for no say anybody can get saved. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God or talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And of course, if this is your first time and you never subscribed to the channel yet, then please click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So today, we're going to read from Paul's letter to the Romans, chapter 10, from verse 5 to verse 21. The people then will follow the law so that God would have put things right between him and them. This our Moses did right about them. If somebody do everything where the law say, the law will make them live. But this our God would say about the people will get put right with God cause them believe. It say, nobody think to yourself, who I go up in a heaven. And when you know I think that, when you mean say, who I go up in a heaven and ask Christ Jesus to come down, come save we. No ask neither, who I go down which part the dead people them spirit there. And when you not ask that, when you really ask, who I go down there, go take Christ Jesus from amongst the dead people and bring him back up here. What else God would say? It say, God message the close to no, it the inner uno mouth and inner uno heart. And that same message they will preach. The message will say, you have to trust God. Because if you say with your own mouth in front of people that Jesus is Lord, and if you believe in your heart, say God making come back alive, you will get saved. Because you believe with your heart. And when you believe, God will make things right between you and him. And when you say in front of people, say you believe in a Christ Jesus, you will get saved. Just like God would say, nobody will put them trust in him and go shame. And that Goffe, the Jew them and the people we are not Jew too, the same sitting, Goffe the two of them, because the two of them have the same Lord. And the Lord bless enough anybody we call upon him. Because anybody we call upon the Lord name, we get saved. But if them no believe in him, how them fi call upon him? And how them fi believe in him if they never hear the message about him? How them fi hear if somebody no go preach to them? And if nobody not send them, how them fi go preach to nobody? Just like it's saying a God word, I want good something when God messenger them come preach the good news. But I know everybody they believe and follow what the good news say. Like Isaiah did say, Lord, me preach your message, but who believe it? So then, people can only come to believe when them hear the message, and them can only hear if somebody go preach to them about Christ Jesus. So make me ask you something. The Jew them, they never hear. They no must did hear. It right down in a God word say, for them voice reach every part of the earth. And people all over the world hear the word where them preach. So then, let me ask you something else. The Israel people them, understand, they never understand. They did understand, yes, but they never want to follow where they hear. First, Moses did tell them where God did say. God said, me I go do things for the people them who are not Jew, we go cause uno for bad mind them. And uno I go bex cause of what me do for the people where uno think fool. Then Isaiah tell them plain where God did say. Him tell them say God say the people will never did I look for me and them find me. The people will never did I ask for me and them me make know me. That I when say about the people we are not Jew. But this I when say about the Israel people them. All day long. Me have me on them open. Ready to welcome them people you will not follow what me say. And wherever I go against me. I God what this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.